Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can use Trello for daily planning. Let's jump right in. Start off by creating a fresh board and naming it something like Daily Planner. Then, set up a few lists to organize your workflow. Popular ones include To Do, In Progress, Done. You can also add an extra list like today's priorities if you want to stay super focused. Now, begin adding cards for each task or activity you have planned. For example, reply to emails, 11 a.m. team meeting, finish report, and so on. Inside each card, you can include due times, color-coded labels, or even checklists to break things into manageable steps. As you move through your day, simply drag cards from to do to in progress, and finally to done when finished. If you want to streamline your board even more, try using Butler automation to auto-shift cards based on due times or when checklists are completed. At the end of the day, review your done list. It's a quick way to reflect and prep for the next day.